everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Raka. If you are watching this video first time, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification for my upcoming videos. Today I created this trendy glam look. So without any further delay, I will tell step-by-step instruction to get this look. So let's get started. So you already know about skincare before makeup. You have to moisturize your skin properly so that it can work as a primer and your makeup can long last. So here I am using Lakme 925 Mousse foundation. Using flat foundation brush, I spread even amount of foundation all over my face. Whatever products I am using in this video, I have put the details of them in the description box. I am also covering my neck and hairline. And with the help of beauty blender, I am going to blend all the product evenly on my face and neck. Just to highlight, I am creating this look in natural daylight. Now using LA Girl Pro Concealer, I am going to cover under eyes, areas near my nose and lips. And then I will make sure that all the product is blending properly. If you want to cover dark spots or pigmentation on your face, just apply a little bit more amount of your concealer and blend it. Now I will apply Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer in the inner corners or tear ducts of my eyes. As you can notice that the shade of this concealer is lighter than my skin shade because I want to pop the colors on my eyes. If you want to apply some bright colors or light colors on your eyes, make sure you are using lighter shade of the concealer. Now using this angular brush, I am going to shape my eyebrows using same liquid concealer which is lighter than my skin tone. If the skin near your eyes is not that much pigmented, you can just simply skip this step. But you have very light eyebrows, and if you add this step to draw your eyebrows, it works wonder. So as you can see, after drawing my eyebrows, I'm just trying to spread the product evenly using blending brush. So as I always say, the more you will blend, the less your makeup will crack. So just make sure there is no harsh line of any product on your face. So after setting my base, using KVD Beauty translucent powder, I'm going to set my makeup, especially my under eyes. And I'm going to experiment something new. I'm going to bake my eyebrows. So I'm applying evenly the translucent powder on my upper lids and on my eyebrows. And in the end, I'm going to apply translucent powder all over my face to set my base. I'm covering my hairline and my neck as well. To define my eyebrows, I'm going to use Wet n Wild eyebrow kit. So as you can notice, using brown color, I am outlining my eyebrows, and the same color I will use to fill in the gaps in my eyebrows. So to fill the gaps in your eyebrows, just simply run the brush in the direction of your hair growth and then brush off the extra product using spoolie brush and set it with the wax which is available in the Wet n Wild eyebrow palette. So I'm gonna repeat the same steps with my another eyebrow. For eye makeup, I'm gonna use this Poison Apple palette from Nicka, New York. Because I'm going to use very bright colors on my eyelids, so I'm setting it up with the greenish color, and then I'm defining my creases using this beige color from the Estee Lauder palette. Do not extend your creases in the inner corner. Also make sure you are covering your lower lash lid with the same beige color that you applied on the upper lid. Now I apply dark pink shade in the tear duct or inner corner of my eyes. And then I will blend the color using blending brush. As you can notice, this color is highly pigmented and it requires lots of blending. So I am going to put so much time to blend it so that there is no harsh creases. And then using this creamish color, I will make sure that there is no harsh lines around my inner corners. Now I will apply this light brown glitter shade in the middle of my upper lid. Fingers are the best tool to apply glitter eyeshadow. In the end, just blend all the colors, all the layers using the blending brush so that there is no harsh creases or lines on your eyes. While you are blending, just make sure you are running your brush in a circular motion in the outward direction. Now I complete my look using this dark chocolate shadow in the lower lid of my eyes. If you want to make sure that you are applying same amount of eyeshadows on both of your eyes, do not exceed it beyond the both ends of your eyebrows. After applying eyeshadow on the lower lid, make sure you are blending it properly. After curling my eyelashes using Dior High Volume Mascara, I will define my eyelashes and it will help them look voluminized and elongated. Before applying mascara, make sure you have removed the extra product of the brush. Now to make my eyes look open and big, I am going to tight line my lower waterline using white kajal from Wet n Wild, and then I will apply the false eyelashes from Nicka. To apply falsies, I am using glue from Pack. After applying the false eyelashes, I am going to just blend them with my natural eyelashes using the same Dior High Voluminized Mascara. And then using K-Beauty contour pencil, I am going to contour my nose, area below the cheekbones and the jaw lines. In order to give some warmth on my face, I am going to cover my forehead as well. Then I will blend it by running the blending brush in a circular motion. Make sure you are blending your product on your jawline in the inverse direction. Also on your forehead, make sure you are blending it towards your hairline, and below your cheekbone, make sure you are blending the product out towards your ears. On the nose, make sure you are not blending it out but blending it in on the bridge of your nose. I want to make sure there is no harsh line of contouring on my face, so using this blending brush, I am just smoothing out. To sharpen the creases just below my cheekbones, I am going to use the translucent powder from KVD Beauty and I will blend it properly. To give the warmth on my face, I am going to apply this peachish blusher from NARS on the apple of my cheeks and on the bridge of my nose. For my lips, I am going to use the lip liner and lipstick combo from Profusion in Cocoa Nude shade. I am going to outline my lips and then going to fill with the same lip liner. And then in the end, I will fill my lips using Nude Cocoa lip shade. In the end, using Wet n Wild highlighter, I am going to highlight the bridge of my nose, brow bones, cheekbones, temple area, cupid bow, tip of my chin and the forehead. And this trendy look is ready. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please stay safe at your home and do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification for further videos.